Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp burritos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready before you begin cooking. This preparation step is key to a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Next, focus on preparing your shrimp, cleaning and seasoning it perfectly to enhance its natural flavor. Finally, warm your tortillas and prepare your favorite fillings for assembly. To prepare your shrimp, start by peeling and deveining about 1 pound of fresh or thawed shrimp. Next, season them generously with your preferred spices, like chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder, for a burst of flavor. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon or 2 of oil. Cook the shrimp for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn opaque and pink. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can make them tough. Now let's assemble your burritos. Warm your large flour tortillas, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter, in a dry skillet or microwave for about 30 seconds to make them pliable. Lay a tortilla flat and spread a base layer of cilantro lime rice or refried beans slightly below the center. Add your perfectly cooked shrimp, then pile on your favorite toppings. Fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla, then bring the bottom flap up and over the filling, tucking it tightly as you roll upwards to create a secure burrito. The best part about burritos is customization. Enhance your shrimp burritos with fresh pico de gallo, sliced avocado, shredded lettuce, or a sprinkle of cheese. For an extra layer of flavor, consider drizzling a creamy sauce, like a chipotle or avocado crema. Serve your delicious shrimp burritos immediately to enjoy them at their freshest. You can also toast them seam side down in a hot skillet for a few minutes to seal them and add a crispy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.